This time the departure was different because my mind was, let's train smarter, not harder. The day I was packing my bags, I was very excited and I was actually in a rush to get everything ready. I booked the flight quite quickly so I can get to the altitude as soon as possible. And believe it or not, I had a connection flight, and in Egypt, I lost all my luggage. I had to wait about a week until they sent all my luggage back, which was, a little bit annoying. But on the other hand, I was very excited. I knew that I'm gonna be in Iten very soon. I'm gonna be living at altitude and my body is gonna start producing red blood cells again. No matter what happens, I'm gonna be fine. While on the plane, the only thing that was on my mind was to just take my electrolytes so I don't lose any hydration and get some sleep. The thing I was looking the most forward to is to get on Moiben Road and start doing long runs and catching 320 pace on 35k runs. And the thing that I was the most apprehensive about was the heart has to adapt and I have to go through some sleepless nights with pains in my heart. It's just normal how it happens when you're training at altitude and you're pushing to your limits. When I came to Iten, I had my friend pick me up from the airport and I felt very good that I'm back to my second home, my family. Yeah, it was just a fun ride. Put my song on the car, it's called Moko, and it's like a response to the haters that thought that I'm not gonna break records. One of my first workouts was with a group of Eric Kogo, and we did a fartlek, and I could see on my engo that my heart rate was staying very low whilst pushing the pace to near 3 minutes per kilometer, and I knew that we're in a very good place. What I noticed first with the Engo 3 is that there is more data on the glasses. So now this time I'm looking not only at the distance, the pace, the average pace and the time, I'm also looking at the heart rate and the elevation gain, which is key information for me to know what's going on during the workout. The way I picture November 2026 is that we're gonna have the greatest version of Amadeus Clements I on the start line. If anybody wants to come with me, be my guest. Otherwise, I'm just smashing the record.